Hello and good morning, children. As you all know, these days we are doing the metric system where we have learned the measurement of mass, we have learned the measurement of liquids, that is volume, and right now we are doing the measurement of length. So, children, here I am going to make you understand the metric system, and we call it the metric stairs. And it's easy to do any kind of conversions if you are aware of this metric stairs. As we know, we start from the higher units and we move down to the lower ones. So, we have kilo on the top, so kilo, then hecto, then deca. After that, we have the base unit, and then we have the units like deci, centi, and milli. Now, children, as we go down the ladder, we see that we are moving towards the smaller units. Now, when we are talking about conversions, we have certain rules to follow, but foremost is that we should understand this table. Now, let me make it more clear to you in the further slides. Now, children, as we can see here, what is the metric system? If we try to understand, it's a system of measurement. Yes, we all know, because इसमें हम लोग क्या measure कर रहे हैं? हम लोग length, weight, ये सब measure कर रहे हैं. We are trying to find out the weight of a solid object. We are wanting to find out the quantity of the liquids. We are also trying to find out the length. So, it's a system of measurement, and that too it is a standard system of measurement which is followed throughout the country. Now, it is designed to be easy to use and it is followed universally, as I said, and it is built on the powers of 10. As you can see, from 1000 we are coming to 100, then we are coming to tens, then we are coming to 1, and for the smaller units we are going below 1. So, points में values चले जाते हैं. So, it is the correct name of this system is the SI unit, or we can say International System of Units, or the SI unit for short. So, if we take example of the SI units, the SI unit for measuring weight, the standard international unit for measurement of weight is, we all know, that is grams. Yes. And then if we talk about the volume, then we have the SI unit is liters. So, weight के लिए हमारा ग्राम है G, grams and kilograms. For the volume we have liter and milliliter, and for the distances we have meters and kilometers. So, these are the base measurements, or the root of the word is coming from this, the SI units. Now, how does this work? As I said, we are moving up and down the ladder depending upon where we have to go. Like for example, we have to convert 2.345 centimeters into hectometers. तो हम देखते हैं कि हमें यहाँ से सेंटीमीटर से कन्वर्ट करके जाना है हेक्टोमीटर्स में. So, we have to make a mark. We have to just visualize this ladder, make a mark, and then count how many times we are going up. And as I told you, children, moving up the ladder we divide, moving down the ladder we multiply. So, we have to just add our prefix, centimeter करना है कि millimeter करना है, and then we count the number of steps we have travelled in the direction upwards, or we have moved downwards. So, in this we have to move upwards, as we have to convert centimeters into hectometers. Now, children, here is an easy way for you to learn the table so that you don't forget it. So, this you can learn this line, King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. अगर आप ये याद रखोगे, King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. So, kilo, hecto, deca, then we have the base unit here. यहाँ पे हमारा base unit आ गया, that is चाहे मीटर हो गया, चाहे ग्राम्स हो गया, चाहे लीटर हो गया, और उसके बाद ड्रिंकिंग चॉकलेट मिल्क आ गया फॉर डेसी, सेंटी एंड मिली. सो किंग हेनरी डाइड ड्रिंकिंग चॉकलेट मिल्क. सो किलोमीटर, हेक्टोमीटर, डेकामीटर स्टैंड्स फॉर डाइड. सो ड्रिंकिंग डेसीमीटर आ गया, चॉकलेट आ गया सेंटीमीटर में, मिल्क आ गया मिलीमीटर में. सो दिस वे वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस टेबल. सो फॉर द बेस यूनिट क्या है हमारा 1. ठीक है. नाउ फॉर द बिगर यूनिट्स, अगर हम लोग बिगर यूनिट्स की बात करते हैं, सो इफ वी आर सेइंग हाउ मेनी आर इन 1 मीटर, हाउ मेनी आर इन 1 ग्राम, या how many are in 1 liters. तो then we can easily tell that there are in 1 meter there are 1000 milliliters. In 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. In 1 liter there is 1000 milliliters. या फिर आप ये भी बोल सकते हो in 1 liter there are 10 deciliters or 0.1 decameter or hectometer. So depending upon the value you can just understand कि हमको इसको कैसे लिखना है. So higher values and the lower values. Now how many meters, grams and liters are there in this unit? That we can say in the kilometer we have 1000 units, in the hectometers we have 100 units, in the decameter we have 10. और अगर हम बात करते हैं बेस यूनिट के नीचे चले जाते हैं, दैट मीन्स 1 से नीचे, देन वी हैव 0.1 यूनिट, 0.01 एंड 0.001. So this way children we can understand the metric system and we can do our conversions easily. Thank you children. We'll do more practice when we are doing the conversions in class.